Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how you can prevent the user from taking screenshot in your Godot game for Android. So here you can see that I'm trying to mirror my device, but just because I have enabled preventing screenshot, I'm not even able to show you my device. So unfortunately I can't show you the output, but you have to take my word for it, and it's pretty simple. You don't need to create any plugin or something. And now here you are seeing this. Actually this is my Android device, but you are seeing everything as black because I have disabled preventing screenshot. And once you disable preventing screenshot, and if you are trying to mirror your device, like I have connected via Wi-Fi debugging, and there is this option on Android Studio to mirror your device using that. So you are not able, so that's why I'm not able to use it. I think you might use Wiser or something if you want to mirror it, but anyways, that's out of the question, like that's not part of our tutorial. So anyways, what you will have to do is you just have to create a Godot project, then just go to project, install Android build template. Okay, I have already done that. Then click on export, click add Android. Here you will have to use Gradle build. Check whatever architecture your Android device is running on, and there might be a fix import button at the bottom. Just click on it. Once you do that, you will have to go to your Godot project, then go to here you will have to go to your Godot project, go to Android build, src com Godot game, and open Godot app.java. So I have opened it inside VS Code, and over here you will just have to import this line, import android.view.window manager, and to prevent screenshot you just have to write this bit of code. Okay, that's it. Now you can just run your app and try taking screenshot. You will see a toast message saying that a screenshot has been disabled due to security policy or something like that. It will vary device to device on what Android version and what Android manufacturer you are using. So yeah, that's it. But one important thing which you have to remember is whenever you update your Godot version, so I'm on 4.2.1, suppose if I update to 4.3, I have to install the Android build template again and again. So make sure if you install the new Android build template, this code will get overridden by the default code. So again you will have to write this bit of code as well as this bit of code. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.